Hi, my name is Avery Davis, and I am in Chemistry 1002, Section 476. And my chemistry project video topic today is the chemistry of onions and why they make you cry. Now, if anybody's ever cut an onion, you know as soon as you cut this onion, your eyes immediately start pouring, and it's just really bad. Why I'm not sad, but I'm cutting this onion. Why is this happening to me? Why is it irritating my eyes so much? I didn't even think I had allergies. But I'm here to explain the chemistry of it. Everybody's seen the cliche of somebody playing a violin and somebody's bawling, and then it turns out they're just cutting onions. Say, why does this happen? Well, ever notice you don't cry when you have an intact onion? This is because the onion's intact. Once you cut it, this breaks the cell walls, and the onion emits this pheromone aroma as a defense mechanism, actually, to get its predators to like water in their eyes, and they say, "Oh, I don't want this because it makes my eyes feel bad." So you cut it, it breaks the cell walls. Compounds inside the onion are then released into the air. This is known as lacrimatory factor synthase, and this converts amino acid sulfoxides of the onion into sulfonic acid. This is when it touches the air. And then this is a very unstable compound. So this unstable compound actually rearranges itself into something more stable. And this is known as synropenthenol S oxide. Yet again, oxide, it mixes with oxygen, thus you get the oxide. And this is the compound that actually reaches your eyes, and it causes tears. And it's lacrimal synthase because these are your lacrimal glands, and then they cause your eyes to water. Now, scientists actually used to blame the enzyme alanase for the instability of substances in cut onions, but then they found out what lacrimatory factor synthase was, and they said, oh, it's a completely different thing. So, yet again, science goes one way, and then they discover something else, and the other thing was right, and then we find out how it actually works. Now, the more cut an onion is, the higher the concentration of the chemical, thus the stronger the onion taste. So if you were to cut an onion in half, you're like, this is an onion, but it doesn't really taste very oniony. But if you were to chop it up or even mince it or put it in a food processor and really grind it up, it's just firing off all these chemicals trying to defend itself. And that gives it a really strong onion taste. Now, when you're cutting onions, you're like, how do I keep it from irritating my eyes? Well, the best way to do it is wear eye protection. So if you cover up your eyes, and not just wear like glasses, because it can get all up in the back of the glasses and everything. These are goggles you wear in any chem laboratory. They cover up everything. So all this, like that line you get after wearing it, that would block out all the onion chemicals from getting into your eye. And that way you won't cut yourself from not being able to see. And this has been my video on onion tears. Thank you very much. Goodbye.